Hi, it's Phil from Yikes, Now, Fiat have invited me to a secret location today to take part in the world's largest unboxing video. Have a little look at this. All we know is that it's new, that it's called a Tipo, and that it's from Fiat. Is it a DVD? Oh, I've got my head stuck. I think I'm going to need a knife. Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh, we've got it. Brace yourself. It is. Wow. And look what's in the box. We're looking right here at the brand new Fiat Tipo. Let's get in the back seat. Straight away, you notice how roomy it is. This really does make this a great family car. As you can see, you can very much stretch out, much like you might do on your sofa. And look at that boot space. You're looking at 440 litres of boot space. Tom Daly, he could dive in there. I mean, he'd break his neck. So let's pop in. As with all the models, including the standard model, you've got DAB and you've got Bluetooth. Actually, on the steering wheel itself, you can accept and deny calls. So that concludes our tour of the Fiat Tipo. Really is gloriously roomy and fantastic.